Hey Jamaica, have you seen Island Shipper on the move? We're taking over the streets, and now we want you to join in on the fun. I like the tallest customer on now. See the man there? Man a 7 foot. Touch the top of the bus for them to Mr. Wald. See there? The man a 7 foot hard.
I want it.
Yeah. Sounds like he has a glass around bad. Yeah, himself, Jane. This one particularly fit this glass. Charlie is a good player. You know, China's getting so good at installing. We can't get the taxi them in fast enough and get the video done quick enough. Because Fabian is like NASCAR. Whenever you see that Island Shipper URL on the back of a taxi, we want to hear from you literally. Honk the horn. Make some noise for Island Shipper. Make a quick video when you see us in traffic. Honk your horn and show off your honks and honks of love. Share your video with our customer service team, and guess what? We're sending you loads of free shipping coupons for that. That is right, free shipping just for spreading the Island Shipper vibes. You know, say that again, catch you know? You gotta learn to install. This vehicle look like a Voxy, but it's not a Voxy. Make the driver tell him what it is. Nissan Serena. I had to come get some action. So we have 2 cars. Fabian had the one. Me about to go to the next. I'm super excited. It's easy as 1, 2, 3. Whip out your smartphone, make a video, and share your Island Shipper sighting. So next time you see us in traffic, don't just let us pass by. Honk your horn. Make some noise, wave, and make some noise for Island Shipper, Jamaica's #1 shipping company. Visit islandshipper.com for some more details. And remember, with Island Shipper, shipping is always smoother.